Hey, I'm Vinny and this is Makeify. So on the side of our refrigerator, we have this blackboard thing where we keep track of grocery lists and meals for the week and things like that. It came with some chalk markers with little magnets, which is kind of convenient, but these things dried out really fast because chalk markers really should be stored horizontally, but these magnets don't really let you do that. So I got some new magnets, and to keep them horizontally, I made this little wooden tray that sticks to the side of the refrigerator, and I'm going to show you how I did it. I got some new chalk markers and laid 4 of them out, then took a rough measurement. I went to my scrap bin and found a nice piece of wood that looked like it would work. I trimmed it to 12 inches long, then reset the blade on my table saw and set the fence, then cleaned up one long edge of the board. I set my fence to 2 inches, then cut the board to width. I got a 1/2 inch diameter round nose router bit and put it in my router in my homemade router table. I set the fence and ran the board through. Then I flipped the board and ran it through again. I raised the bit a little bit and ran the board through again to make the grooves a little deeper. That worked pretty well, but there was a little bit of extra wood on either side, so I used my table saw to trim off the excess. I drilled 4 3/8 inch holes along one long side of the tray with a Forstner bit so the bottom of the holes would be flat. Then I sanded the tray down to 240 grit. I got some rare earth magnets that were 8 millimeters in diameter, which is a little smaller than 3/8 of an inch. I roughened up one side of 4 magnets with 80 grit sandpaper. I used some CA glue to glue a magnet into each hole. This 2P10 glue is nice stuff. There are links to everything I used in this project down in the video description. One of the magnets gave me some trouble, but eventually I got it glued into place. After the glue had dried, I used tung oil finish to finish the wood. I sanded lightly with 420 grit sandpaper between coats and applied a total of 3 coats. When the 3rd coat had dried, I stuck the tray to the refrigerator and added some markers. You know, this is a pretty simple project. It didn't take me very long to do, but you know, we've been using this tray for a while and it's been working well. It stays attached to the refrigerator really well, even if you bang the door and whatever. And it keeps the markers horizontally, and it seems to be prolonging the life of the markers, which is always nice. I hope you liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. You can also subscribe to keep up to date with my newest videos. Thanks for watching. Hey, really, these chalk markers really should be... How many times am I going to say really? They have little magnets on them, which is kind of nice, but they dried out really fast because these markers really should...